Hi guys, so for today's video is going to be a room tour video, which I'm so excited about because I love to watch room tour videos. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this video. I have done room tour videos before, but this is my updated room tour. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys have any video ideas you guys would like me to do, definitely leave them down in the comment section below and I will do those for you. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get into it. So I'm going to give you guys an overview of what my room looks like, and then I'll go into detail on everything. And I am using my studio light today. That's why it looks a little blurry on that side, because there's not much natural light coming in today because it is a cloudy day. So going back over here, and the floor is making noise. So here I just keep my purse that I use on a daily basis right now. Then we go up here where my light is, and we just have this board that I use to write down important dates or bills that I have to pay. And there's that little bag here. It's like a magnet bag. I actually use that to put like mail that I receive and stuff that I have to keep that is important. And then here I have my jewelry holder. It looks like this, and I got it from Pier 1 Imports. And then up here I just have like some watches and a Tiffany & Co bag, some rings, and then it has a mirror there. And then here it has two mirrors. Then I open it up. On the sides I hang my necklaces, and then it's just like random things like jewelry and stuff in here, like boxes, Tiffany & Co bags, and just more Tiffany & Co bags and bracelets and earrings. I know it doesn't look so organized, but in my mind, like, I know where everything is, so it's kind of organized. And then here I have more Tiffany & Co boxes and more little bags, and there's my engagement ring right there in the middle. Then here I just have more random stuff. I close that up. And then going on here I just have like random cables and stuff. And then here I just have more random stuff down here. So here I have my nightstand. It just looks like this. I got it from Pier 1 Imports as well. I really like their furniture stuff. And then up here I have a Bible verse quote that I don't remember where I got it from, but it's 1 Corinthians 13:4. And then I have a banner that says thankful that I got from Target. Up there I have some gum, extra gum. Then I have an album. Then I have some notebooks. I have this little San Diego Zoo thing that I got when we went last summer. And then I have gel pens, my AirPods, just like, oh, and this I actually just got it. I haven't tried it. It's a face steamer, which I'm really excited to try. Facial steamer, sorry. I'm really excited to try it out. It has good reviews, so definitely excited to try it out. I go here, I have hand cream, gel pens, and color pencils. And then I have my phone here. And then back here I have my Bible. And then my other camera, a speaker, which actually that speaker does not work. I just really like how it looks, and it's actually one of my favorite colors, so that's why I keep it. I have a book. And then closing that up, going down here, oh my goodness, I'm so sore and I hardly worked out yesterday. So here, this is actually clear, you can see through it. I have my Bibles, and then I have some books. Here I just have random stuff. Very random. And then more random stuff. These are actually really cute here. My dad actually got me this. It says Papa Bear, Baby Bear, Mama Bear. So this is my bed. I actually got my bed from a local furniture store. I got the bed frame and the mattress. And then here I have this really nice warm blanket, and it's so cozy on the inside. I got it from Macy's. Then I have just like random pillows. Most of the pillows are from Target, Marshalls, Ross, or I think that's it. Just Target, Marshalls, and Ross, I believe. There's one that's really cute. It says hello lovely, and I've had it for years, and I got it from Target. This one is from Ross. This one came with the bedding set along with this bedding set that I got a while back. I got it from Ross. It is Juicy Couture, which is one of my favorite brands. And then let's pick this up because I just dropped it. And then this one, Let's Cuddle, I got from Target. And then this one also came with the bedding set. It says I dream of juicy. So moving on to this side, I have this little frame that says, I belong with you, you belong with me, which I got from Target, and I thought that was so cute. I should probably put a picture of me and my fiance there. I really like those frames. And then here I have trust in the Lord with all your heart, and I actually DIY'd this and I love how it turned out. I've had it in my room for years. I think I made that video like 3 or 4 years back, and it turned out really good and it has lasted me so long and I love it. Up here I have my perfumes, my humidifier, a picture of me and my fiance, a picture of me, and a picture of my nephew when he was a couple months old. Back there I have my cap, which says, it takes a big heart to help shape little minds. My sister made it for me when I was graduating college because I am a teacher. And then up here I have a balloon that says, you're so special, some flowers. And then my deodorant. Here I have my perfumes. This is my humidifier. I got it from Target. This is my dresser. I got it from Pure One Imports. On the first drawer, I have like gym clothes and stuff. On the second drawer, I have like pajama shirts and like long sleeve shirts. Here I have tights, leggings. Moving on to this little drawer here. So up here I have my wedding, well not mine, but like I'm going to give them to my bridesmaids and my maid of honors. I actually have two, my two sisters. And yeah, these are just the robes that I got for them. And then here I just have, in these I just have like my underwears, bras. Yeah. Here I have my curtains, which I'm going to move from the way. Here I have a calendar, and each month has a new Bible verse. Down here I have this little perfume that smells so good. It's not a perfume, I forgot what you call those, but you just plug it in and it makes your room smell so good. I got it from Bath & Body Works. Here I have this little stool that came with my vanity, but I actually got a chair instead for my vanity because it was way more comfortable. So I just keep it there just to like put things on top sometimes. So this is what my vanity chair looks like, and I got it from Pottery Barn a while back. It's like the Tiffany blue color, and then I have this blanket that I put on top of it that I got from Target. This chair is actually very comfortable. It's actually a little on the pricier side, but it's definitely worth it. It's very comfortable, like if you work on a desk or anything like that. And yeah, that's just what it looks like, and it is from Pottery Barn. This is my vanity. I got it from Amazon. There's only 2 drawers, and on the first drawer I have my makeup. It's actually organized. It does not stay like this all the time. Then here I just have some hair stuff and a Sephora little mirror there. And then up here I keep my vitamins, my makeup brushes, which are so clean. I actually washed them today. I have my vitamins. Then I have my other lens. And then I have my mouse. And this is my laptop. It just looks like this. Here it's these little drawers. I just keep like random stuff. And up here I have my notebook, my planner, a book, my iPad, and some save the dates that I still have to give out. So here I have like a little mini closet besides my actual closet, which is on this side. So here I just keep all of like my dresses. I'll show you guys right now. And I actually got this one from IKEA, which was really hard to build for some reason until we actually got the hang of it. But let's go into detail. So I open it up. It does have a mirror there. When I open it up, it looks like this. So it is kind of messy. It's not too organized, but this is real life. So I have some dresses, and then down here I keep like my jeans. And then all the way down there I keep some shoes. And then I do have my fiance's jacket, which I really like. He actually got it for Christmas, and I became like obsessed with this jacket, and I really like it, but I have to give it back to him pretty soon. My shoes. Not all of my shoes, because I have like a little shoe thing outside of my room, but I keep like my high heels, more like dress up shoes, and I keep like my work shoes over there that I wear on a daily basis. It just looks like this. So I really hope you guys enjoyed that room tour video, and I will talk to you guys on my next video. Bye guys!